Hello everyone, welcome to Stay Creative. Today in this video, I'm going to be making a night lamp which can be controlled by the TV remote. Let's go. Whenever we press the button of our TV remote, a pulse of electromagnetic radiation of frequency 430 terahertz to 300 gigahertz and of wavelength 700 nanometers to 1 millimeter or simply IR rays is emitted. These pulses can be represented by hexadecimal number or sometimes by octal or even sometimes by binary. To make our project, I decided to use Arduino. It is a microcontroller which deals with digital and analog IOs. There are several varieties of Arduino like Arduino Nano and Arduino Unos. In this project, I decided to use Arduino Nano. In order to make our project successful, we have to install an additional library to our programming software. So I downloaded IR remote library from Google and I extracted the zip and pasted it in the libraries of the Arduino programming software. It means the header file /include irremote.h is valid now. To find the hexadecimal code of the respective buttons, I opened an example program IR Rugby demo from IR Remote. After reading the instructions, I came to know we need a component which electrically reacts to the infrared rays. Fortunately, I have one such component, IR receiver diode. I then connected the signal pin of the IR receiver diode to the 11th digital pin of our Arduino, then positive and negative terminals of the sensor to the 5 volts and ground respectively. I uploaded the program to my Arduino board, then I opened a serial monitor and set my baud rate to 9600. I brought my TV remote near the receiver and then when I pressed the button, the hexadecimal code of the respective button printed on my serial monitor. I then noted it down. After a bit of codings, the 50% of the job is completed. you didn't subscribe to Stay Creative, just click over here to subscribe. Follow Stay Creative on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given in the description below. And finally, thanks for watching.